Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to generate consistent images and and consistent consistent image characters on Leonardo AI. Now, to create consistent images, we have to have some consistent conversations. So now we will move to ChatGPT to create a creative conversation. Just open up your ChatGPT, and I'm using ChatGPT 3.5. Come to message ChatGPT, and I will just generate my conversation here. Um, a girl named Katrina with her husband sitting on the couch and posing for their wedding picture. Their well furnished home. Now I'll just send it to ChatGPT and let's see what they say. Careful got to generate a conversation. I'll just write here a conversation between. Now you can see a conversation is generated here. Now, after generating the conversation, we will go back to our Leonardo AI website and tap on image generation. Now I will put a creative prompt here so that I can have a good character from Leonardo AI. So I will just type my prompt here. A girl. First I will generate the girl named Katrina. Sitting on the couch in a well furnished house. And then after tapping the prompt here, I will just tap on generate. Now, as you can see, I have generated some realistic images here. So I will just turn off my photoreal option from the left side. And then again, I will choose number of images. Here I want to create just one. And then let's see how it can change our image for us. I think this is also a realistic image, but it is not as realistic as the other two that we have generated. Now we will create the character of her husband in this prompt. We will not cut this prompt here. Also, I'm going back to ChatGPT and edit my conversation from here. I will name her husband from the message option here. Her husband named Marcus, and then again send message. Okay, now I'm going back to Leonardo AI and I will type in my prompt with her husband Marcus smiling for the photo. and then tap on just generate. I changed my image prompt here. I added also sitting on the couch with her um, Marcus, as the husband character is not created here. Again, tap on generate, and let's see what Leonardo AI creates for us. And as you can see, we have a photo here, and this is quite the photo as per the prompt. Now we will try to create another prompt, but with different situations here. I will just cut this prompt here, and I will say a girl named Katrina. I said a girl named Katrina in a class waiting for teacher. Then I will just tap on generate. I will write a girl named Katrina sitting in a chair of a restaurant. And then I will choose the number of images. Then just click on generate. I mean, this is not the exact girl from here. So we will try a different prompt to create consistent characters. I again typed a girl named Katrina waiting for her husband near a church. I will put a comma here and then generate. This is also not the right picture I'm looking for, but it seems like the man right here is um, from Europe, and this one is also unlucky to see.